Hi everyone! Hi everyone, we're gonna do unboxing. I make some sound so I can say something. You're not listening to mommy. You need to stop. Stop. Okay guys, this is my pet. This is Caramel. She's super makulit. I'm trying to make some what do you call this again? Okay. ASMR. I'm trying to do that, but this dog decided to bother me. So I guess I'm not gonna do that thing, but I did already, but just some unboxing or whatever. So I ordered at AliExpress some Fidget. So like I said before, before I just love spinner. I just like spinner and stress ball. But when we went to the Philippines, I have niece there. They have Fidget, and then she keep playing that a lot. And then yeah, so that's the start. I keep watching. So here we go guys, my first item I get there, stop, is the, like a, I don't know how you call this, but like some chick thing with a light, super nice, it's cute. And next one, this is from Mr. Bugs, like this, it's a lot, you see that, it's just a small stuff. And this is some clicker. It's relaxing if you press something. Yep, it's a clicker. I am that's correct term, but yep, something like that. And this is some squeeze thing, like a squeeze. Look at this. Look the eye. They like keep bouncing and moving, and then if you press like this. You see? And this is super cute for me. I like it. It's super cute for me. You like it, Carmen? I think she like it too. Next is this one. I don't know what you call this, but I don't know what happened. Like, so everything, this one is like, I think like, it's not good because look at what happened. And it's look funny now. Like, look at this, guys. Carmen, stop. But if you squeeze this, there's like something bowel came out to his mouth. Okay, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. I think Caramel like this. Okay, Caramel, this is yours now. You like it? Okay. I think she like it. Here we go. So it's not bad, but you know, can tell like, I know. It's not look good already. Just look what happened. It's look like a drunk or something. Yeah. Next, this one is like a sugar thing. I don't know what you call this, but I always see this but it's good feeling, huh? I don't want to remove the plastic since I don't want to get dirt right now like this, but I like it. Oh my, okay, never mind. Caramel, stop. Okay, my dog trying to mess up my vlog. I know. I'm not gonna edit this, Caramel, so that people gonna see you're so makulit dog ever. So look, I keep squeezing and then they mess up the plastic bag. So I guess I'm gonna remove already. So we can feel the texture. Oh, it smells good, huh? It smells like really sweet. Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop, huh? Stop. Okay, my dog trying to eat this. We need to move this because that's too tiny for her. So this one smells sugar. What? Smells sugar. Fairness. Hey, stop. Stop. So, Caramel, look, you already have a hair. Oh my God, Caramel. Stop. Okay, guys. Now, you already have a hair. I don't know it's fine to wash this or whatever, but look at this now. Oh, it's so nice feeling, huh? Okay. You can touch inside. See? It's nice. Oh, I know. You like your fidget too? Is that a fidget for you? Fidget, fidget, fidget. So that's my caramel. She's like makulit for real. Okay, guys. Okay, I like it. Oh, you can like this and you can see something inside and you can touch it and try. Here we go. Oh, not bad. Okay. I get confused already. I can't remember if I showed the clicker. Oh. Some. Okay, we're gonna unboxing again. Some this. So, this is like a mystery bag. And if you open, there's something inside. Look at this. Oh, again. It's just different color. Okay. Let's try again. Okay, let's try again. Here you go. Wow, it's a puppy. I'm gonna keep this one. I like it. Oh, is that a puppy? Something like that. I like it. I like it, guys. Next. I'm trying to touch first before to open, so maybe I have an idea, but it's too hard. It's too tiny to suggest. Look at this. Carmen, stop! Carmen. She's trying to be with my vlog. Look at this. Oh, a turtle! Look at this. Ah, turtle. That's cute. Next. Carmen, stop. Yeah, she wanna do something. Ah, stop. Oh, again? I think I have this already. This one, like, oh, it's a pig thing. Look, it's same. Right? It's just different color. Not bad. Ah, at least I have two now. Oh, I have three. I have more. The color blue. Okay, I have blue, green, and the yellow one. Oh, Carmen, my hair. Oh, Carmen. Stop. I'm not gonna edit this so that people are gonna see you're being a bad girl. Oh, Carmen. Stop. Sorry, guys. My dog is magalit sa... Oh, you wanna try this one? Come here. You wanna try? Come on. Just have an caramel's here because caramel eat it. You can squeeze it. Hey, that's good too much. How about this one? You're just gonna shake, and then the eye, look at the eye, they shake. It's nice, right? And this one, the funny one, this one. You can try this one. Squeeze his body. Right, it's cool, right? And this, like clicker. Like a clicker. Right? And this one is just like something with light. At the bottom, there's a switch. That's it. You wanna unbox one mystery bag. You can open. Oh, what do you get? Ah, cute snail. Oh, so cute. Look at this. So, what we gonna do on this? I have a lot. So, that's all, guys. That's all my vlog. And this one is so sick. Bye! Then, ta-da. Okay, got there. Carmen, stop! You mess up my this one. Stop. Carmen, no, stop. Stop. Ah! Ow! Okay.